ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Vajanti has not joined. Okay, Aishwarya, good morning, Aishwarya.
Ma'am.
Anushka, yes. Now see, the governor, and yes, the governor, he comes to know that at which golden lion the prisoner was, and he also tells Evans that he confirmed it from the survey map of Oxfordshire by seeing the six-figure reference 313 by 271 that was put as index number and center number. Okay, and that landed him in the middle of the Chipping Norton where he found this golden lion. Okay, from which para? Second last para, I think so. We have to do, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So now the governor stood up from here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now the governor stood up. Tell me one thing before we go. How on earth did you
Yes,
get
ma'am.
all that blood? Okay, put the date bit. I'll just continue and finish it up soon. How on earth did you get all that blood to pour over your head? Now, as governor, he stood up and he was about to move, and finally he says that even just tell me one thing, how did you manage to get all the blood, and that too on your head? Even suddenly looked a little happier, clever, sir, very clever that was. How to get a couple of pins of blood into a cellar. Now, even, he becomes happy, he's quite happy. Why? Because he thinks that he had fooled the governor and all. So he says, sir, it was very clever of us, really very clever. How to get couple of pence means units of blood into the cell when there's none there to start off with, and when the invigilator, shall we say, gets searched before he comes in. Now he says when the exam, that was about to start, and when the invigilator he entered, okay, and when he was searched means when the invigilator McLary was searched, what happened? A rubber ring was there in his suitcase, in his briefcase. Do you remember?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Jackson also joked and he said that, sir, are you
Yes,
thinking
Yes.
ma'am.
to go for a swim? And he did not like that joke, and he said that he suffered from hemorrhoids. Now, see, so he says, yes, sir, do you remember when McLary was searched? Yes, you can well ask about that. And I don't know if I ought to tell you. After all, I might want to use that particular. Anything to do with a little rubber ring for piles, perhaps. See now, governor, he understood very well. Acha, that rubber ring, that he said he uses for piles. What happened? See now. Evans grinned. Grin means he smiled feebly. Clever though, wasn't it, sir? It was a clever trick. Okay. What happened? In the tube, somewhat the blood was filled, right? And he says that he used it when he sits for a long time in the washroom as he suffers from hemorrhoids. So Evans, he says, sir, it was really a very tricky thing. Must have been a tricky job sticking a couple of pins in it. So governor says then it might have been a very tricky job. It might have been very difficult to put some units of blood into the tube. Now you have got it wrong, sir. No problem about that. He refuses. Kehta, sir, you are wrong. Your doubts are wrong. We did not have any problem putting units of blood into the that rubber ring. No, no, it's the clotting you see. That's the big trouble. Now he clarifies. Ki maybe, the clotting, when the blood, it gets hardened up, then it is the main, this thing, problem, the trouble. Okay, but the blood, it did not harden up. नहीं तो क्या होता है थोड़ी देर बाद तो ब्लड सूख जाता है ना बेटा तो वो कहता है ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ अब देखना आगे प्लानिंग सुनना okay we got the blood easy enough कहते easily we managed to get the blood it was pig's blood got it and it was from the slaughterhouse in Kidlington Now he says that we managed to bring the pig's blood, and it was from the slaughterhouse. Slaughter, you know, where the animals they are cut, okay? They are killed for meat and everything, for pork and all. So Kidlington mein slaughterhouse hai. From there we got the blood, but to stop it clotting. Now the blood to किसी का भी हो, but it gets hardened. तो कहते हैं उस clotting को रोकने के लिए you have got to mix your actual blood. Got it? अब उस clotting को रोकने के लिए you need to mix your actual blood. And then Evans took a breath. Then he takes a long breath. And then he says, with 1/10 of its volume, okay, 1/10 of the blood in it, you have to mix 3.8% trisodium citrate. समझ में आ गया? He was so clever. See, didn't know that. Did you, sir? Okay. अब वो कह रहा है सर आपको नहीं मालूम था. But you know क्या करना पड़ता है 1/10 of its volume के साथ of the volume of the blood you have to add 3.8% trisodium citrate, and that does not harden up the blood. Okay, no clotting of blood is there, and that was the reason, you know, there wasn't any clotting. Blood जो था वो harden नहीं हुआ. The governor shook his head in a token of reluctant admiration. Of course, he just shook his head. Really, he admired Evans. He admired his cleverness, his brain. And then he says, we learn something new every day. They tell me, come on, my lad, okay? Good people tell me, you know, yes, you know, all the prison officers, the police officers, they say, we learn everything, we learn new every day, you know, from the prisoners. Why? Because the prisoners are very intelligent, they are very clever, they are very tricky. ओके तो गवर्नर कहते हैं वास्तव में हम लोग जो है तुम लोगों से रोज कुछ नया सीखते हैं ना. एंड देन ही सेज कम ऑन लेट्स मूव. Evans made no show of resistance, and side by side the two men walked slowly down the stairs. आ गए वो. Tell me, Evans, how did you manage to plan all this business? You have had no visitors, I've seen to that. You have had no letters. Now the governor, he asked Evans, now tell me, how did you plan everything? There were no visitors, nobody visited you, and there were no any mail or any letters for you. So how did you manage? How did you plan everything? I've got lots of friends though, but still I have lots of friends. Who says Evans? What is that supposed to mean? Governor कहते, what do you mean by this? For German teacher, me for German teacher for a start. कहता sir, you just think when the German level, okay, O level classes, they began in September, you know, the German teacher had come. You mean, but he was from the technical college. Now the governor is surprised. He was a professor from the technical college who had come to teach you German language. Governor कहता है हमने तो technical college से बुलाया था तो तुम्हें पढ़ाने आया था. Was he? Now Evans, he just wanted to confirm, okay? वो कहता है वास्तव में Evans was almost enjoying it all now, and he was enjoying it. और कहता है ever check up on him, sir? Sir, did you ever check that he was really from the technical college? Are you getting it, beta?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
समझ में आ गया. हाँ तो वो कहता है कि सर आपने चेक करा था क्या? ओके कि वो टेक्निकल कॉलेज से है. God Almighty, there's far more going on there now. It's beyond his imagination, the governor says. I cannot even think of all these things, you know. It will always be sir. Who says Evans? Everything Daddy asked the governor as they stood by the reception desk, and when they came on the reception desk where the receptionist was sitting there, जिसको बोला था कि even she's from the police department, governor उससे पूछते हैं everything is ready. The van is out the front, sir, said the pretty blonde receptionist. Okay. Evans winked at her and she winked back at him. It almost made his day. Okay, receptionist कहती है the van is standing out. A silent prison officer handcuffed the recaptured Evans. Now Evans was recaptured, okay? तो उसको handcuff करा गया. What is handcuff? He was shackled. Shackled means हथकड़ियां है ना, उसके बांध दी गई. And together the two men, who were the two men on the prison officer and the prisoner Evans, They clambered means they climbed upwardly into the back seat of the prison van. Okay, prison van में जाकर they seated. See you soon events. It was almost as if the governor was saying farewell to an old friend after a cocktail party. और governor इस तरह से उसको wish करता है ना, goodbye, as if जैसे किसी अपने friend को वो कर रहा हो, कहता see you soon events. Okay, cheers. I was just wondering, I know your German's pretty good, sir, but do you know any more of these modern languages? Now he's teasing governor, you know, वो भी थोड़े मजे ले रहा है. कह रहा है, sir, even I think your German language, it's pretty good, okay? It's okay. It's good, sir. But do you know any more of these modern languages? आप कोई और modern languages जानते हैं? Not very well, the governor, he answers. Now see who had the last laugh. Evans settled himself comfortably on the back seat. Now Evans was sitting there in the prison van, very comfortable, and grinned, means smiled happily. Nothing really, I just happened to notice that you've got some O-level Italian classes coming up next September, that's all. Kehta nahi sir, I was asking like this only because, you know, next year in the September month now, again, new Italian classes, you know, O-level Italian classes, they will begin. Means he wanted to say वो भी शुरू हो रही हैं, तो may I join? Perhaps he won't be with us next September events. Now the governor, he says कि next September तक he won't be with us, है ना, with them. Why? Because he will be sent to some other jail in a very tight security. Now James Roderick Evans appeared to ponder, to think, okay, for some time the governor's words deeply. कुछ देर सोचता रहा कि गवर्नर ने क्या बोला कि शायद उसके साथ नहीं होगा, तो वो कहता है ओ शायद I won't be, है ना, perhaps I won't be with you. Now both of them had different meaning. Okay, governor, he said so. Why? Because he would be shifted to some other jail, maybe to the main jail, maybe to the, okay, to the jail where there would be tight securities and so on. And Evans, he meant something different. What was his meaning? Now see, as the prison van turned right from Chipping Norton onto the Oxford Road, the hitherto silent prison officer unlocked the handcuffs and leaned forward towards the driver. For Christ's sake, get a move, means drive fast. It won't take them long to find out. You got something? Did you get something? Not understood? Who understood?
No, ma'am.
See, prison van, it moved forward. Okay. Now, who was sitting in the prison van? The prison officer was there, the driver was there, and the prisoner was there. And it happens, beta, है ना? जो prison van होती है उसमें कभी भी कोई DSP, SP, है ना, officers, ठीक है, वो लोग नहीं बैठते. कौन बैठते हैं in the prison van? The constables or the policemen जो हैंडकफ करते हैं प्रिजनर्स को. ओके, जिनके अंडर में प्रिजनर्स होते हैं उनको लेकर बैठ जाते हैं, और बाकी ऑफिसर्स एंड ऑल वो अपनी जीप या वैन में, सॉरी नॉट वैन, कार में पीछे फॉलो करते हैं ना प्रिजन वैन को, राइट? क्योंकि प्रिजन वैन डायरेक्ट कहाँ जाती है फिर? इन द प्रिजन. क्लियर और नॉट? तुमने देखी होंगी ना प्रिजन वैन, यू माइट हैव सीन, इजंट इट? तो अब
Yes,
इसी
ma'am.
तरह से Evans was made to sit in the prison van. The prison officer जिसने उसको handcuff करा था. Now see, finally prison van क्या हुई? It started moving and it turned towards right from Chipping Norton and it went on to the road of the Oxford. Okay, Oxford Road पर it proceeded. So जो prison officer who was sitting in the van, he unlocked the handcuffs. वो शेकिल अनलॉक कर दिया उसने, उसकी हथकड़ियां खोल दी. Getting it? और प्रिजन ऑफिसर आगे बढ़कर ड्राइवर को इंस्ट्रक्ट कर रहे हैं कि ड्राइव सून, अदरवाइज इट विल नॉट टेक मच टाइम फॉर देम टू फॉलो अस, टू फाइंड अस. Still you did not get?
Yes, ma'am. He was involved with events.
Yes, he was events man only. समझ में आ गया?
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आया कि नहीं? Events को arrest
ma'am.
कर लिया, they have arrested him, right? सारी formalities
ma'am.
हो गई. अब अंदर जो prison officers या हम कह सकते मे बी constable और policeman जिसने handcuff करा था, actually they were not the policeman, they were Ivan's friends. Got it? उसी के फ्रेंड्स थे, उसी के आदमी थे. तो जैसे इवेंट बढ़ती है वो उसकी हथकड़ियां खोल देते हैं और ड्राइवर भी उन्हीं का आदमी था. उसको कहते हैं फटाफट चलाओ नहीं तो ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा. किसको? द गवर्नर एंड द अदर पुलिस ऑफिसर्स टू फाइंड अस. आर यू गेटिंग इट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अभी तो उसने कहा था परहैप्स सर आई वोंट बी देयर विद यू नेक्स्ट ईयर. मैंने कहा था ना बोथ ऑफ देम आर हैविंग डिफरेंट मीनिंग. गवर्नर ने क्यों कहा था? बिकॉज ही माइट बी शिफ्टेड टू सम अदर जेल, है ना, वेयर देयर माइट बी लॉट ऑफ टाइट सिक्योरिटीज माइट बी देयर. ओके, तो गवर्नर का कहा था अब तुम रहोगे ही नहीं है तो इटालियन क्लासेस का कोई क्वेश्चन ही नहीं राइज होता. तो ही सेज यस परहैप्स आई वोंट बी, शायद मैं नहीं रहूंगा. तो इवेंट्स का मीनिंग इट वाज डिफरेंट. व्हाई? बिकॉज ही इज गोइंग टू एस्केप नाउ. And how did they get the police van?
Yes, ma'am.
And his friends, they were dressed up in
Ma'am.
police uniform. How do you remember? There was a call from the magistrate. Magistrate का फोन आया था, assistant secretary ने कॉल करा था for the correction slip, and then कुछ देर बाद there was a call from the magistrate who wanted the police van and some police officers. He said it was a remand case. याद आया कि
Yes,
नहीं?
ma'am.
नहीं याद आया तो दिस इज वेरी बैड,
Yes.
है ना, बिकॉज यू आर नॉट अटेंटिव. इसका मतलब उस समय कॉल्स आए थे, असिस्टेंट सेक्रेटरी का था, कुछ देर बाद मजिस्ट्रेट का था फ्रॉम द कोर्ट, जिसने कहा था कि पुलिस वैन भेजिए. दैट वाज आल्सो अ फेक कॉल. समझ गए? फेक कॉल था वो. गेटिंग इट?
Yes.
से यस और नो. एटलीस्ट कॉमर्स के बच्चे समझ गए. यू पीपल आर नॉट एबल टू गेट इट. वो भी फेक call tha. It was
Yes, ma'am.
all a
Yes,
part
ma'am.
of the planning. That call was all a part of the planning, बेटा. समझ गए? तो अब पुलिस ऑफिसर्स तो उन्होंने वहां पर बुला लिए. वैन भी उन्होंने अपने कब्जे में कर ली. वैन भी अपने कब्जे में कर ली उन्होंने, राइट. अब पुलिस ऑफिसर्स को क्या कहीं बांध दिया, उन्हें टाई करके पटक रखा होगा, उन्होंने खुद ने पहन ली. As you see in the movies also this thing happens or not?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो similarly they did. Got it? अब there are so many policemen, तो गवर्नर हर एक पुलिसमैन को थोड़ी ना पहचानता है. उसको तो था कि yes, this is the van of a department and people of a department are there. Although the friends were involved everywhere. Clear or not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It is clear.
So, what I said, Evans was very, very, very clever. Okay, तो फाइनली इस वजह से जो प्रिजन ऑफिसर था, ही वाज वन ऑफ Evans फ्रेंड्स. सो उसको क्या कर दिया, उसके हैंडकफ्स उसने अनलॉक कर दिए और ड्राइवर को इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिया कि बिफोर दे फाइंड आउट, दे मींस द गवर्नर एंड अदर पुलिस ऑफिसर्स, यू मस्ट ड्राइव फास्ट. फटाफट चलो यहाँ से. Where do you suggest we make for? Asked the driver in a broad Scots accent. Who had the Scots accent?
The fake McLary.
Very good, very good. So he was the same man. Now he acted as a driver. He was driving the police van. समझ गए बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
में तो वो पूछता है कि where should we proceed now? तो Evans कहता है what about Newbury? Now he proceeds to Newbury when he misguided the whole police department. है ना? अब तो वो बिल्कुल भी विश्वास नहीं करेंगे, क्यों? पहले ही वो प्लान फेक साबित हुआ. एल्सफील्ड वे, देन हेडिंगटन राउंडअबाउट एंड न्यूबरी. हो the whole of the policemen, they went there but they did not find him. तो अब वो श्योर होंगे ना कि now he won't be proceeding to Newbury as he was caught there at Chipping Norton, so he might have proceeded somewhere else. Okay, so this would be beyond the imagination कि वो न्यूबरी चला गया. तो Evans कहता है कि let's go to Newbury, and finally Evans with the help of his friends escaped once again from the prison. Evans, he had the last laugh. What do you mean by the last laugh? What do you mean by it? The last laugh
Victory,
means
probably.
he was successful in his plan.
Victory.
Okay, ultimate success, ultimate victory he had. Got it? Now the governor,
Yes, ma'am.
अब उसको governor को क्या लगा कि yes, I'm too clever, I've recaptured Evans. Okay. लेकिन finally this Evans, he had the last laugh. Got it, beta? And he had the ultimate success. He came out successfully in his plan and he escaped, fooling the whole police department once. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Nice
Yes, ma'am.
story. A good turn it had taken in the last. Okay. Did you imagine that this would happen?
Yes,
तुम्हें
ma'am.
क्या लगा कि उसने तो बस recapture कर लिया ना, Evans was back into the jail.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
लेकिन लास्ट में उन्हें ditch कर कर he just escapes. Better revise the chapter. One day we'll do the question answers. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye,
Okay,
beta.
ma'am.
Everyone,
Thank you,
take
ma'am.
care. Take care. Okay. Bye. God bless you all.